Well, mental health issues are extremely common in the U.S. According to a new survey, nearly 1 in 5 adults live with a mental health condition. That's around 51.5 million people in 2019. The first week of October is Mental Illness Awareness Month. Reporter Mary Klingler talked to an expert who says it has a lot to do with understanding yourself. Mary?
Well, Beth, after recognizing and coping with her own anxiety, this East Tennessee woman has become an advocate for mental health and says she's fighting to get rid of the stigma against it.
When that stigma is taken away, then people are more prone to actually go and get help.
Anxiety is something Roxy Slay is familiar with.
And you just go through life kind of saying, what's wrong with me? You know, or people say, what's wrong with you?
The answer, she says, is nothing. And it's important for others to realize that many undergo the same feelings.
We all battle something. And so don't be afraid to reach out, because there's a lot of people to hold your hand and walk with you, because they're walking too. They're walking that same path.
She's found she's able to help others develop coping skills through practical steps and also through self-expression. Slay finds her own peace through reading books and having a sense of community.
I realized that my experience wasn't just an isolated experience. Somebody else had been through that and how they were able to cope with it. But if it's not from there, of course, you have therapists, you have different types of avenues, and you can be very creative about how you self-care.
She volunteers at a new bookshop on East Magnolia Avenue that specializes in Black affirming, empowering, and authored literature for all ages.
This space is therapeutic as a Black person, because it's really a safe space for Black people to be, where we have collections of books and music and people that, you know, we have shared stories and shared experiences.
Doctors say anyone can experience a mental health condition, especially right now during a global pandemic. Beth?
All right, Mary, thank you. If you or someone you know is struggling, you don't have to go through it alone. Places like the McNabb Center or the Mental Health Association of East Tennessee can help. Many resources are available 24/7.